that serves his master hard and works to no avail. Come with me, the life that's free, and ride the Bristol Mail, and crack your whip and rouse your team, make your wheels to roll. By sevens, tides and Avon sides, all the bells do sweetly toll. A carpenter and a lady's maid, a captain and his love, Tom and Dick to guard them all, for they do ride above. And crack your whip and rouse your team, make your wheels to roll. By sevens, tides and Avon sides, all the bells do sweetly toll. And at the inn we rest our team, for they can do no more. For them with gold we soon find cheats, and the poor folks on the floor. And crack your whip and rouse your team, make your wheels to roll. By sevens, tides and Avon sides, all the bells do sweetly toll. What care we for them bold footpads that robs the likes of us? But some he has his pistols too, and Dick his blunderbuss. And crack your whip and rouse your team, make your wheels to roll. By sevens, tides and Avon sides, all the bells do sweetly toll. Sevens, tides and Avon sides, all the bells do sweetly toll. And when we reach our journey's end, a coachman never fails, for it's into the pub and we'll take a sup of the good old English